Hi guys, it's Jen. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing the Gucci Marmont shoulder bag unboxing. If you notice, it comes in their signature Gucci black and white box with a black ribbon. So let's open it. And the bag comes with their dust bag in white. So here it is. It's the Gucci Marmont shoulder bag in nude or dusty pink color, and it is in medium size. This is made in chevron leather with an antique gold tone hardware. To open it, you just press the tab at the bottom. There's a small tab. You press it and it opens like so. And inside you will see a zipper pocket and another open pocket. And it is in microfiber lining with a suede-like finish, and it feels so soft. And as you can see, it's pretty roomy. This is the care instructions, and it comes in different languages. So the size of this bag is about 12 inches in width, 7.5 inches in height, and 3 inches in depth. And there is a heart on the back. And to close it, you just need to press it on that little tab and it will close. And the sliding chain strap can be worn as a shoulder strap, as a top handle, or a crossbody bag. So this can be worn in multiple ways. This is a very beautiful bag and I love it so much. And that is all for today. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up or give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye guys!